Yes. So let's see here, Butters. Again, vision still parehas dito sa dalawa. Pero it seems like Execration ang nag-react dito against Signal Ultra. Inisip ng matagal ng Execration yung Popol and Koopa and yung last pick Alice. Meanwhile, ang inisip lang na matagal ng Signal Ultra is the X-Borg.
Yeah.
I think kinuha rin nila yung X-Borg for added damage on the side lanes kasi nagkaubusan talaga ng fighters dito. I don't know, man, pero game number 1, ibibigay ko yung draft Signal Ultra. How about you?
I would have to go with Execration just because mahilig ako sa mga Alice picks.
Alice is the way. Alice is the new way. Kahit ako. Alright, there we go. Bensanity pumasok mag-isa dito. Oh, hindi tumama ang mga ilang skills. Mabubuhay pa siya. But let's look at the spells right now, Butters. What is this? 5-man flicker para Signal Ultra.
It's a way to shut down si Sagitno yung Avatar of the Guardian and si Benny Cutie din
Oo.
with the Blood Ode.
Oo.
And it's a good way then to escape Etomax kapag ginamit niya yung Feathered Airstrike.
Oo. So alam ng Signal Ultra dito na aaksyon ang Execration dahil 4 din ang flicker ng Exe.
Oh!
At ayun na nga, sabi ni Rhea dito, time to shine. First blood for Rhea getting Chaknu. Chujin just staying in the top lane. This is a hard matchup actually for the Gatot Gacha. Kasi mag-a-unli fire lang dito ang X-Borg.
Kumbaga, ito yung damage output na hindi mo hindi siya yung tipong burst. Kaya si Sagitno dito, pwede niyang, hindi ito yung damage output na hindi lang lumalabas one time.
Oo.
Na pwede niyang hindi pansinin.
Oo.
Once na naman mas-play siya dito, pwede siya tamaan ng sabihin natin ng flames, ng 2 beses dire-diretso, mag-overheat siya, tapos it will deal significant amount of damage sa kanya. And kaya lang ulit-ulitin ni Chujin yun.
Yeah, probably kaya din ni Sagitno. The only problem I think with the X-Borg is of course the Firaga armor. Ayaw mo kasing ibuhos yung passive na normal mo dyan kung ikaw yung Gatot Kache. So I think what can you do is you just need to clear the wave, use the concussive blast, and go for the best. Kasi ayan o, dinadaan lang ni Chujin sa kanyang Firaga armor, but this time nandito ang Feather Airstrike and Chujin will win that coin fight.
At habang nangyayari lahat yun, Hades dito will go straight for that red buff and it's close to the turtle right now. Both teams are well equipped to fight dito sa area ng turtle mamaya-maya.
Actually, medyo safe ngayon ang laruan ng Execration. This is unusual of them. Usually nakikita natin level 1 pa lang, gusto na kaagad nila.
Oo.
Juntukan eh. Actually, trinay nila kanina, but it failed on Bensanity. So right now, Signal Ultra controlling every side lane there is. Butters. Chaknu with the Popol and Koopa, what kind of initiation can he bring? Hindi natural na initiator ng Popol and Koopa eh.
Manjin, it's more on the zoning and not giving them the proper position.
Yes.
Na kapag nag-overextend sila dito, it might be a knock-up coming out here for the side of Popol and Koopa din. Pero sinasabi lang nila dito, hindi naman yun yung initiation natin. Counter-initiate tayo. Meron tayo Avatar of the Guardian.
Oo. Avatar of the Guardian is the way for Execration to enter the fight. But Signal Ultra, si Rhea, men, bagong klaseng ka-lead play to. Ito yung ka-lead na naglalakbay sa mapa using the sandwalk. Kanina yung mga ka-lead na napanood natin, talagang stay lane lang eh. Oo.
Ngayon, i-utilize nila yung sandwalking na yan to its maximum potential. Literally just using it to his heart's content. Yung tawag nga natin. And Signal Ultra dito.
Oh my love.
Kaya nilang pumunta doon sa other side of the map. And Chujin dito actually drops the Firaga armor. Siya pa yung nalagay sa alanganin. Hindi niya in-expect na nasabog lang bigla yun.
Oo, maaga niya actually ata pinap. He really thought na mababurst na yon. Sagitno still has actually the taunt pero hindi na kailangan. Eto Max with the counter kill. Chujin miscalculating his skill there. for a while. Oo.
Nauna sumabog yung Firaga Armor kesa yung Flicker.
Oo.
I mean, it's a good try. If sumabog yung Firaga Armor doon sa tapat ng kalaban, that could have been a kill.
Yes.
Pero Bensanity, a bit unlucky there.
Yeah. And that is actually the main source of the power ng Xborg. Kaya lumamang bigla si Sagitno. And ngayon, because of the Farsa, Signal Ultra hindi makalapit. Execration right now, ladies and gentlemen, with a good outplay in the top lane, getting the turtle and getting a little bit of economy advantage. 1,800. 200 gold ang kanilang
200 gold,
dito,
200
Butters.
gold. Yes, and Hate din naman dito, he's getting a lot of the things that he wants onto the map. He's getting gold, he's getting the turtle, and it's about time na talagang umaksyon siya dito.
Oo.
Because, alam mo, Manjin, ito lang yan eh.
Oh,
Walang retribution dito yung side ng Signal Ultra.
yun lang.
So, ang pwedeng gawin dito ng execution is ipilit tong
Oo.
turtle na to.
Oo.
Kapag magta-turtle up na, huwag sila papahuli. They
Yeah.
should stick together as 5 because they clearly have the advantage kapag ganun yung nangyayari.
I think fully aware din ng Signal Ultra na si Hate ang main target dahil siya ang merong retribution. Pero mas pinuput in nila ang pressure dito sa top lane dahil ang lalim na ni Chujin, but he has the immortality. Ang agang immortality Butters for Chujin. And I think pilay na yung top lane ngayon ng Exe. They need to make a play right here, right now. There you go, Phantom Execution, pero dodge mula kay Imba DJ. Bensanity buhay pa din at makakapatay pa nga si Hades. What was that dodge?
Okay. So, ganito yun nangyayari. Imba DJ just using the innate capability ng isang Kagura para makatakas, makabalik, makapasok sa fight.
Wow!
And Clock of Destiny na dito, si Kagura. So that means, nagsimula na yung stacking niya dito.
Yun yung mahirap dun sa Phantom Execution eh. May chance kang mag-flicker out or either
Ano kasi?
Osho Umbrella Flea eh.
Yeah.
Oo eh.
Telegraphed kasi siya.
Oo nga eh.
Nakikita mo sa lapag kung kailan siya tatama at kung saan siya pupunta.
Oo.
And kapag may mga marker na ganyan, usually may tatamaan si Hades dito ng
Mountain Shocker.
Na-shock si Etomax.
Shocking.
Shocking.
Shock.
Kaya nga Mountain Shocker eh.
Totoo ka dyan. As calculated. Min, parang...
Grabe.
Phantom Execution. Nandun pala. Ang galing
wala
ni...
nang dash. Wala
ang
nang
galing
dash.
ni Imba DJ dito. Imba DJ, the second time na na-outplay niya si Hate. The first one was with the Rusho Umbrella Flea. And this time, inabangan niya. Sakto parallel pa yung puncture in, puncture out ni Hate doon mismo sa payong.
Okay, so Hate there. Really trying his best. Pero nakita natin si Rhea dito. Kinakagat siya nung aso.
Wow. Too many vision control for Signal Ultra. And Execration really can't find the right timing. Meanwhile, papasok dito si Benny QT. Nice blood on. Nasa kanya dito ang turtle. He uses the Winter Truncheon to be safe. And then, throwing blood out, Hades will now go for the Cyclone out. Pero merong counter go dito sa wakas. Sabi ni Hate, huli ka ngayon. Imba DJ, kanina ka pa. Execration, Benny QT. Nice execution.
Dito nagiging malaking factor si Sagitno. Kung dun sa laning, nagkakaroon siya ng problema kay Tsujin, even though he got 1 kill, talagang literal na pinahirapan muna siya bago niya nakuha lahat yon.
Oo.
Sagitno is getting the assist na dapat niya ibibigay niya sa kampi niya.
Totoo.
Hindi man niya na-sustain yung lane niya as long as bibigay mo yung advantages sa kampi mo, I think you're doing your job already.
Yes.
And that's totally fine. Hades with the BOD, Manjin.
Actually, medyo delayed. Saktong BOD lang yan eh. Kung medyo tabla ang laban. Kasi nga, bubuin mo pa yung machete. But still, damage is damage, Butters. I like what you pointed out. Si Sagitno talaga magiging make or break on zoning out proper heroes dito. Important heroes, I mean, for the side of Signal Ultra. But then again, going back to Benny QT, dito na papasok kung bakit natin napipiboran itong Alice. The fact na pwede ka mang-outplay. Kanina nga doon sa Turtle. He goes for the quicksand guard, Rhea, pero hindi na siya mabuhay.
Rhea dito, he really tried to go for the sustain. Dinelay niya na onte, pero kasi ito yung pinaka-problema nila. Mag-up na yung Lord, Rhea will be up by then as well, pero kasi yung pag-set up ng team,
Oo.
doon sila malulugi sa execution.
Wow.
Pero Signal Ultra dito, wala silang pakialam.
Yes.
They will go for the initiate.
There you go. Sinabayan yung Mountain
Oy!
Chakra pero knock up coming in from Chaknu himself. Pero where is the follow-up nandoon sa bandang gilid? Si Hades ang nawala. Pero si Chaknu pa rin na-atake ni Bensanity dito. Si Nipa. Ima DJ. Cyclone Eye out. Oh! Whoosh Umbrella Flea. Habol pa dito ang Flowing Blood sa Kitnu. Coming in with the counter strike. Taunt. Pero hindi na-abot pa. Execration still with different skirmishes all throughout the map. Sila pa ang lumamang doon, Batters.
Sa totoo lang, medyo nagulat ako doon. Signal Ultra, they did go for the punish.
Oo.
No, Eke na yun. Naipit na doon si Ben Sanity. Not really Ben Sanity, but etong si Benny Cutie. And they could have gone for that punish na huhulihin siya. Pero naiintindihan ko din kasi ang hirap din talaga makahuli ng Alice kung hindi mo siya mababurst down na mabilis.
Mahirap, men. Lalo na, again, like yung cooldown, pag umabot sa point na pwede kasing 1 second, 2 second na lang yung kanyang flowing blood. Only flowing blood, and pwedeng ikaw pa yung mamatay. I like the initiation though, coming in from Signal Ultra, Mountain Shaker, tapos dumadash in na. Pero mukhang mas eto pa, sabi dito ng Execration, let's go! Sunto ka na! Nakakuha sila dito ng dalawa. Execration will take this opportunity to go for the mid lane while waiting for the Lord up top.
Now they are breaking down towers. They're not walking with the Lord. They're making their own way in.
Wow! Sa Gitno and Benny Cutie, the Alice is back. Nagkasabayan. Ganon. Doon natin kilalang execration. Doon sa mga biglaang ganon. Kung naintindihan mo yun, bahala ka na doon. Execration, flowing blood in, Avatar of Guardian in, sabog ang mga muka ng mga taga-Signal Ultra. Basag ang Torre. Imagine trying his best to counter-go, but Execration with the tower push.
The name of the game right now, Signal Ultra, masyado silang dikit na dikit. Literally Alice in Wonderland kapag ganon ang nangyayari.
Wow. Alice in Wonderland na nga, Butters. At ang problema pa, sa Alice in Wonderland, nananaginip lang pala siya. And Signal Ultra, magising kaya sila ngayon sa nightmare na nakukuha nila.
And that is one of the things na pwede pa nilang magawa. It's not too late. As long as nandiyan pa yung base, kaya pa naman.
Oo.
Pero hindi ganun kadali.
Ang ganda ng initiation doon ni Benny Cutie. We all thought that it was going to be sa Gitno, but sa Gitno was the follow-up. At lagi natin sinasabi na yung Avatar of Guardian ay mas better sa gitna pumasok. At ayun nga yung nangyari. Benny Cutie, again, I cannot emphasize this enough. This Alice is doing wonders. Ayos ba yun? Wonderland?
Wonderland.
Doing wonders for Team Execration.
Benny Cutie, asan na yung pagiging passive?
Oh, ayan
Wala
na.
na, yun na. Wala nang passive, chaos na.
Chaos na. Tumipi na. And ayun yung maganda sa Execration eh. They know when to enter just like this. Pasok si Benny Cutie dito with the Blood Oath. Yun na nga. Yun na yung signal, pare. Yung mga tipi-tipi na yun, nagpiping na. Nako, mukhang tapos na ata. Ginamitan na ng Morse code, kumbaga, ng side ng Execration. Tatlo, actually dalawa, ang mawawala sa Signal Ultra. At mukhang patapos na. Mountain Shaker, pangamba. Nako, hindi na kailangan. Sabi dito ni paring sa Gitno, meron pa siyang pasapak. Pero mukhang si Hate ay tatakbo na lang. Nakapag-depensa pa ng bahagya ang Signal Ultra. But Execration right now, they want to end this.
Hindi nila kailangan magmadali dito, Manjin. Execration.
Wow.
Pero sabi nila, anong hindi kailangan magmadali? Gusto na namin dali ng game to. Surprise din sa Benny Cutie. Doesn't really care. There is the lockdown there and Hate dito sa may pinakalikod.
Eto na nga. Is this the final fight? Mukhang it is. Two heroes falling low, but there you go. Execration taking game number 1.